Welcome to this Provideam training video. In this video, I will be presenting the Provideam Real-Time Interface application. The Real-Time Interface is a standalone dashboard application which allows operators to input production data manually. It is designed to provide an easy way to add to or edit recent production data. We access the application using a modern web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. The real-time interface is not supported on Microsoft Internet Explorer. Note that the real-time interface is only available to users that have a subscription license to use the Provideam API. I am now going to log in to the real-time interface. In this case, I am using Google Chrome with the address shown here. Your Provideam administrator will provide you with the address to use to access the real-time interface for your Provideam installation. I am logging in with the test admin user account. You will log in with your personal Provideam username and password. The home page displays the current production data for the selected machine. The menu at the top of the page allows us to select the machine we are interested in. The home page is divided into sections. There is a section for mode data, yield data, shift data, and lot data. The mode section shows the current mode description, the mode start time, and mode duration. The yield section shows the good count and defect count for the shift. The shift section shows the current shift and the shift operator. The lot section shows the lot name, part name, material name, etc. These sections can be hidden if not required for a particular machine. If we don't need the operator to enter lot data, then we can hide the lot section. Click the Settings button in the header section, scroll down to the Enable Sections section, and turn off the lot enable switch. To enable the real-time interface for a machine, click on the Settings button in the header section. If we don't want the real-time interface application to be available for a particular machine, we can turn it off. See here, I disable Molding Machine 1. Now it is no longer available in the selection box. Now I'll turn it back on. The colors used to indicate each mode can be set. See as I change the run mode to yellow and the downtime mode to pink. The sections can be moved about to suit the user's preference by dragging and dropping the arrow cross icon. The settings for each section are accessed by clicking the Settings button in the header of the section. Clicking on the Mode Settings button, we see the available settings. In the Mode Settings window, we can enable or disable the ability to edit mode values. If this is disabled, then the mode values can be seen but not edited. We can choose to have a two-stage selection of mode group and mode description, or a single-stage selection of mode description only. See how the mode group and description are now displayed. We can set the minimum not logged value. If there are any not logged downtime events for the shift that are longer than this time, then the user will be prompted to enter a meaningful reason for the not logged event. The time value is in seconds. Setting the value to 0 disables this feature. See when I set the value to 120 seconds, we see an alert that there are several not logged events that need attention. Click the button for a list of the not logged events. Drilling down, we can assign a reason to any of these events. The Comment Enable switch enables the system to accept operator mode comments. The Limit Not Logged to Current Shift limits the not logged alerts above to events that occurred in the current shift. The New Mode button Enable causes a button to appear on the dashboard to create a new mode, not just edit the existing modes. Clicking the Details icon shows a list of the most recent modes, with the current mode at the top and the previous below. Click the Edit button to change a mode. If the mode selection is two-stage, the user will select the mode group first, followed by the mode description. Click on the Mode Description button to select the mode, or click the Close button to return to the previous page without selecting a mode. A Favorites feature has been implemented. Items the user marks with a star will appear at the top of the list of buttons. We also have a quick search filter to find a mode. There are two yield section options. They are broadly the same, but the standard option displays the yield and defect counts for the current hour, the current shift, and the current lot, limited to the current shift, while the shift only option only displays values for the shift as a whole. In the yield settings, we can set, or not, the ability for the operator to edit yield values. We can also set to display a number of KPIs, OEE, target, percentage target. Clicking the Details icon presents a list of the most recent yield records. And clicking the Edit button allows us to edit the values if editing has been enabled. The Shift section settings allow us to enable the operator name display, the operator's use parameter, and the shift comment. Click the Details button to see the list of recent shift records. As with the other sections, we can enable or disable editing in the Lot section. We can enable the New Lot, New Batch buttons, which allow the user to initiate new lots and batches. Clicking on the New Lot button, and we see the lot name has updated to the current timestamp because we just created a new lot. Clicking the Details button presents a list of recent lots. Clicking the Edit button allows us to edit the selected lot. And when we click Save, we see the change to the lot value. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please contact us. Our email address is support@provideam.com. See you in our next video.